Shamar Brown Jr., ticket number P1421008, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Please state your appearance for the record.
Good morning once again, Your Honor. Tim Malafite on behalf of Mr. Brown. Mr. Brown, please state your name for the record.
Keith Brown.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, it's my understanding that there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations, specifically that there will be dismissals to, I believe it was 7 counts.
Okay, I would like to Corporal Bennett to place his name on the record.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. Corporal Daryl Bennett, badge 4320, Detroit Police Department.
Hold on, there's several. There's a no insurance. Let me correct the record. There's more than one ticket. I was mistaken. There's more than one ticket. In addition to that one, it's P1421004, count 1, drove right glaring or without lights or failed to dim lights, count 2, defective or missing equipment. And I'm hearing that there's a offer to dismiss all 3 counts.
That was my understanding, Judge.
All right, so hearing no objections from the people, these matters. Did you discuss it with Corporal Bennett?
Mm-hmm.
You did?
He said he didn't.
He was doing
I chatted. No.
Corporal Bennett, check your chat message, but the court is going to dismiss these matters without prejudice, seeing that the Mr. Brown does in fact have proper car insurance. The court will accept the people's recommendation to dismiss all 3 counts. Mr. Goff.
May it please this honorable court, Dante Goff, P60162. Corporal Bennett, Mr. Brown also fixed his lights, which was the cause of the ticket. So all the equipment violations were fixed also. That's why I agreed to the dismissal. I sent you a chat telling you that.
Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't see it, but yeah, I'm fine with that, sir.
Okay, no problem. I just want to keep you informed, keep you in the loop.
Yes, sir.
Gotta keep that smile on your face.
Oh yeah, we good.
Thank you, Corporal. Mr. Bennett, you are free. No, Mr. Brown, you are free to go as well.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you.
Have a good day.
All right.
Right.
Are we ready on Mr. Isaiah Brown now?
Yes, Your
Yes,
Honor.
ma'am.
And Mr. Malafide, did you say that you needed to go back into a breakout room, or you all set?
I did not say that. No, Your Honor. We're all set with we have Isaiah Brown, and then we can go to Tyler Baines.
Okay. Just give me one moment. There's a lot of Browns on this docket today.
That's shoulder.
Page 4, same page. He was on the same page.
Oh, he's just getting lost in the Brown.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Now calling the people versus Isaiah Martell Brown, ticket number P1418804, count 1, driver's license not required, count 2, violation of basic speed law, count 3, disregarding red signal. Please state your appearance for the record.
Tim Malafite on behalf of Isaiah Brown. Mr. Brown, please state your name for the record.
Isaiah Brown.
Thank you, sir. Your Honor, there have been recommendations put forth. We'd like to take advantage of those recommendations. Specifically, he'll be pleading to the 1 amended count of failure to display, all other counts being dismissed.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Brown?
Yes, ma'am.
You had an opportunity to talk to one of the attorneys in the breakout room. Did they advise you of your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a guilty plea status?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Please raise your right hand. Do you Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you give today will be the truth and the entire truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You put your hand down. Turn your attention to December 28th, 2022, were you driving a 2007 gray Chrysler?
Yes, minivan. Yes, ma'am.
And were you in the area of Gratiot and Filbert Street in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you come in contact with the Detroit Police Department on that day, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
When asked to produce a valid driver's license, were you able to do so?
No, ma'am.
Satisfied,
That's
Your
fine.
Honor.
Stipulates probable cause on the dismissal.
So stipulated, I apologize, Judge.
Okay, so the court is also satisfied and will enter a guilty plea on behalf of Mr. Brown for for the amended charge of failure to display on count 1, dismissing counts 2 and 3 without prejudice. Mr. Brown, the fees and fines that will be assessed in this matter is gonna be $220. How soon will you be able to pay it?
I can come down there. I can come down there and pay it. Once I get off work. On the
Today?
first. On the first. I get paid tomorrow, so.
Okay, you will pay it in full tomorrow, or do you need to set it up in 2 separate payments?
In full. I can come to the window, right?
Yeah, you can go straight to the window and pay it, or you can pay it online at 36districtcourt.org.
Okay, no problem.
If you do not pay it by June 14th, you do need to appear back here on this Zoom at 8:30.
Got you.
You're free to go.
Thank you. Thank you.
And when the court is ready, next I have Taylor Baines.
Excuse me. Now calling the People versus Tyler Baines, ticket number P1285652, count 1, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Please state your opinions for the record.
Tim Alfine, on behalf of Mr. Baines. Mr. Baines, please state your name for the record.
Tyler Baines.
Thank you, Mr. Baines. Your Honor, at this time, we'd like to continue a plea of not guilty. We would, however, ask the court if at all possible, if we could set this for another pretrial date. Mr. Baines needs to come back with his documentation in this matter. And obviously, as the court can see, he is also on a phone. So he's going to make sure that we can get him on Zoom, get all that stuff set up right. But we would, if the court would allow, just like to set it for another pretrial date.
Okay, so the court will adjourn the pretrial until June 27th. So June 27th at 8:30 a.m. You will come in person, is that correct?
I don't think he necessarily, Mr. Baines, do you need to come in person or do you want to do it via Zoom? But you'd have to make sure that you know how to use it.
I do have the registration.
No, I understand that, Mr. Baines. The question I was asking is whether or not you wish to do it via Zoom or come in person.
Can I do Zoom?
Yes, but you have to be certain, sir, because you're not doing it now.
Right, okay. I'll take the Zoom.
Okay,
Not only will you have to be able to use Zoom, but you may have to be able to email your documentation to the attorney of record on that day.
But I don't know how to do all that kind of stuff, so I'll just bring it in.
okay.
Can you bring it today?
Not today, no.
Okay, what day can you bring it on?
Every day after today.
So tomorrow?
Fine.
You can bring it tomorrow?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, what time do we have to be there?
You should try to be here around 8:30, no later than 10 a.m.
I will. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Too. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm going to go check in with the other attorneys and see what else I can do.